Hello everyone, how are you guys? I hope everyone is doing great and fine, and stay home, stay safe, spend time with your family and talk to your friends. Enjoy at home only. During this corona situation, it's really disgusting outside, so please stay at home. So here, this is Achal Jaswal and I'm new to YouTube. During last few weeks I have uploaded 2 videos, and one is on traditional outfit and makeup, and another is on western and modern makeup style. So if you are new to my channel, do subscribe the channel and press the red bell button so that you can get the notification of my video as soon as I'll upload it. So today I'm going to recreate a look in my sister's old lehenga, about 10 to 15 year old, and a fresh makeup look like today's era and today's fashion. So happen watching. So let's put our hair backward so that our makeup don't go to our hair. So cleaned up with the towel. So there is no makeup at my face. So we start with this serum. It will nourish our skin. It's Unlock Sheer Serum. It's really a nice serum. So we will put small amount of serum on our cheeks and nose and head and chin a bit. Rub, rub, rub. Is having some SPF quality as well, which help our skin from tanning. So we are done with the serum. You can see it's really nice. So it already nourished our skin, so we don't need now any more moisturizer. We need primer. So I use this Insight primer. This is really a nice and long lasting primer. So we will use a bit of primer because it covers our skin really well. A bit. Apply and rub, rub, rub. Really important for our skin because it protects our skin from makeup, and makeup have some chemicals which is really bad for our skin. So we should use primer before our makeup. It really makes our makeup long lasting as well, protects our skin from that harmful chemicals of makeup. So we'll use now concealer. This is Swiss Beauty. It really suits my skin color, so I use it. It's not much costly. So here we are done with the concealer part. Now हमने ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर लिया है और इसको मैंने थोड़ा सा भिगो लिया है. Then I have squeezed it well. तो इट्स अ वेरी नाइस ट्रिक. इससे आपका कोई भी चीज़ अच्छे से फैल जाएगा स्किन पे और लॉन्ग लास्टिंग भी रहेगा. सो यू हैव टू जस्ट डैब डैब डैब. So we are done with the concealer. Now we will use the foundation at our skin. Use your tone foundation, because if you will not tone at your skin tone's foundation, it will not good for you. So it's my foundation, Maybelline. I have ordered it from Nykaa. So small amount of foundation, only this much. Now we will put it on our skin like this. Some people use color corrector at the place of concealer. so I don't need that. I never needed it. So again we will use our beauty blender. Tap 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 tap. So you can see we are done with the foundation. So here we use rose powder. I use rose powder Lakme, which help us to lock the foundation for a long lasting effect. So we will use rose powder. It's really nice smell. It smells really nice. Now we will go for our eyebrows. I don't generally use eyebrow shaper and eyebrow definer and all, because मैं eyebrow ने ही उसको threading से set कराती. So that's why I just brush with my old mascara my eyebrow. Here we go. Now we will go for our eyeshadow. I use this Glam 21 eyeshadow palette. This is from Paris, London and New York brand. So as my sister's dress is of dark pink and sky blue color, so we will use the same contrast color for our eyeshadow. So here is the pink one, and our sky blue one is this one. So we will put the pink one here and the sky blue one here. So here we go. So you can see my upper eye makeup is done. Now we will do some blue shadow at the under eye. It is really important part. And it is blue. Now we will use some pink shade. We will use some highlighter shade thing like this one in our inner corner of eye. It really looks amazing. So you can see it. See. So we are done with the shadow thing. See, now if I don't have that contour, so I will use this brown shade for my contouring section, like this, and we will blend it very nice. Not a very high amount, just a little bit. It enhances our jawline. We will again blend it with the beauty blender thing. This is really a nice thing. Now I will go for our blush thing, and I just love the blush. So here is my STR color blush. It's of color peach and pink. I will use pink as my lehenga is of pink and blue color. So, lot of blush. I love blush. It's enough. Now we will blend this loose powder with the brush only. Here we go. Our blush is done. Now we'll put an eyeliner with the wings. See, we are done with the liner. Now we'll go for kajal. This is from Nykaa. It's really a nice kajal and long lasting one. Long I am putting kajal in my eyes, so it's little never mind. So we're done with the eye and cheek. So it's time for our lip. As my dress is really a vibrant color of dark pink and dark sky blue, so we'll use this dark pink 925 Lakme, and really it tastes really nice. I feel like eating it. Firstly we will put a brush corners like this. Outline our lip with the lipstick. Like this. I'll fill it up. It's really nice to wear. Really nice. So we're done with the lips as well. See, now we will go for the highlighter thing. But highlighter is not always important, but we will use as we have, and it's a wedding look, so we will use the highlighter. So we will use the thing that we have used in the inner corner of our eyes. So we will use this one with this brush a bit here, this area which shines really best, and at our nose and our eyebrow corners like this, and our head and our jawlines. It's really nice. So we're done with our makeup. Hair, see, but due to this outfit and this hair, it's not really looking nice, so I'll just change and come. So this is my lehenga, my sister's lehenga actually, and it's the look. Everybody is saying that I'm looking like a Muslim. Like my mom is saying that I'm looking like a Muslim, so why not add some accessory and actually look like a Muslim. So here is a Mang Tikka. It's really nice one, so I put it here as my side tikka and put some bobby pin here to attach it. Also wear the earrings. It really looks nice. my most favorite watch. This one is called Titan Raga. So here we go. We are ready for the party. So here is the new look of the old lehenga of my sister in a new attire. It is basically a Muslim look in a wedding, but if you want, you can do it in any wedding you want. So you can see the makeup as well. It really look nice, and it really gives this old lehenga a new look. So you can see it. So if you like the video, do like, comment and share the video to your friends and family. Let me know how I make my video. Give me any suggestion if there is any improvement needed in my video. I'm new to this platform, so please help me support. Like my video, share my video and subscribe to my channel. I'm not a very professional stylist or makeup artist, and I don't have any certified knowledge about it as well. I just like doing it, so I do it in this situation because no one can go out or learn anything. So you can see, if you like to do some creativity, you can try it with me by watching my videos, by getting the products which I have, and it's not really very expensive products. I am from a middle class family, so that I use only moderate type of products, and it's really nice long lasting products. So today's era is all about styling, makeup and all. So if you like my videos and do support me. I am just posted 2-3 videos in past, so I'm planning very much to upload lots of videos about makeup, styling, clothing, etc. So if you want any suggestion or about anything, you can comment me in below section, and for my any recommendation for my video, you can give me in the comment section. And thank you. We'll see you in the next video. Love ya.